I'm Liam. We're on an airplane right now, and we're about to land in Orange County.
Once again, we thank you very much for being on today. Welcome to Orange County.
Long flight is about 4 hours and something minutes, but we're almost home. And this is what it looks like outside.
We need to collect everything that we have handed out to you. If you are still enjoying the beverage, we ask you to please drink that up as quickly as possible. We do need to collect it as we make our way in to Orange County.
We're almost going to make our way into Orange County, so we're going to leave maybe right now, so we're coming back home. I'm Liam. I made Skippy the turtle and Skippy at Eating Time. Make sure you watch those videos. That's my turtle. They're really cool, actually. So make sure you watch those videos. We're on our thing, Tia Now. And we'll make another video soon. Thanks. We'll have a bunch of new videos, maybe we'll have a lot of new videos. Okay.